Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting an email. Open a new message or reply and place the cursor where the emoji belongs. Once done, choose the Outlook client you're using because methods differ between desktop, web, and mobile. On Windows, press Windows key + period to open the emoji panel. On a Mac, use Control-Command space. If you prefer the ribbon, click Insert, then choose Symbols or Emoji. These first steps position the cursor and bring up the picker so you can select emojis without breaking your flow. Once the emoji panel is visible, browse categories or type a keyword to filter and click or tap the emoji to insert it at the cursor. Make sure you don't accidentally select the whole word. Place the emoji in line with text. If you need consistent sizing across platforms, select the emoji and use format options to change font size or convert it to an inline image by copying and pasting into Paint or Preview, then inserting the image. These choices control how recipients will see your emoji. Before sending broadly, preview and send a quick test message to yourself or another device. This confirms how the emoji renders across platforms. If you see a blank square or unknown glyph, make sure you use a common emoji or replace it with a small PNG image to guarantee appearance. Also, add concise text alternatives or descriptions for accessibility and when emailing formal audiences. If problems persist, update your system fonts or ask recipients to update their clients so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.